Good morning, students. I hope that all of you are fit and fine. Dear students, I'll request you, please maintain the social distancing because we all are concerned about the present situation. So in this situation, we have to keep ourselves fit physically and mentally both. So through the physical activities and yogasana, it can be possible. So today I'm going to be demonstrating some yogasana which can help you to improve your physical fitness as well as mental fitness also. So let's start.
First asana is chakrasana. So in this asana, the figure of the body become like a chakra. So first of all, lie down on the floor on your back. Now fold your both legs. Now place your both hand beside your head. Now raise the middle portion of your body upward. Raise it as high as possible. This asana helps to cure back pain and cures any pain in kidneys. And those who are suffering from headache or high blood pressure, try to avoid these asanas. Next asana is Padahastasana. So in this asana, you have to stand on the floor, erect posture. Now slowly raise your both hands over your head with inhale. Now slowly bend forward with exhale and try to hold your ankle and your forehead should be touched with your knees. This asana is good for reduce the excess belly fat and it improves blood circulation. So those who are suffering from back pain, they should avoid this asana. Third asana is Bhujangasana. So in this asana, the shape of the body remains like a snake. That's why it's called Bhujangasana. So in this asana, you have to lie down on the floor on your belly. Now place your both hands beside your chest. Now from the stomach, slowly raise your upper part body and try to keep your hand bent posture and your head should be backward. These asanas will help you to cure constipation and indigestion and it strengthens the muscle of the hand. And those who are suffer from hernia, back injury, headache, they should avoid these asanas. And the recent abdominal surgeries also. Ardha Matsyendrasana. So in this asana, you have to sit on the floor with stretch out your both leg in front of you. Now fold your right leg and place it under the left thigh. Now place your left leg beside your right thigh and with the help of your right hand try to hold the left ankle and place your left hand behind you. These asanas will help you to enhance the stretchability of back muscle. And those who are suffer from hernia, they should avoid these asanas. And in these asanas, you have to look backward. Now go for relaxation through Shavasana. So in this asanas, you have to lie down on the floor in supine position. So your legs should be straight and keep the arms away from the body. And it will fold your hands finger and place your head to your left side and fully relax your body. These asanas will help you to reduce the stress depression. This is the best way or best asana to get relief from the different kind of stress, anxiety, depression. Okay.
I hope you will get the benefit from this class and believe me, if you will do the exercise regularly, obviously you will get the benefit from this class. So that's all for today's class. Take care everyone.